2016 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, compass, CD player, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, leather, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.